PERDANA GANTANG pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're exploring agricultural or livestock products, most people get this wrong by assuming prices are standardized across suppliers. The surprising truth is that PERDANA GANTANG offers products like livestock, feed or equipment with pricing that depends on type, quality and quantity. For example, standard livestock units may start around per head, while premium breeds or specialty animals can range from bulk feed orders or farming equipment vary widely, from bides of feed to zero machinery items. Shipping or delivery fees may apply depending on location. What you get: quality livestock and agricultural products, access to specialty breeds, and a trusted supplier network. What you give up: potential delivery costs and variable availability depending on season. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Identify the type and quality of livestock or feed needed. Step 2. Compare unit pricing for bulk purchases. Step 3. Confirm delivery options and fees. Step 4. Check reviews or supplier ratings for reliability. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore animal health or feed quality. Subpar products can affect your farm outcomes. The surprising truth is that PERDANA GANTANG pricing reflects quality, breed rarity, and supply reliability. In conclusion, PERDANA GANTANG provides clear value for money for agricultural and livestock products. Understanding quality, quantity, and delivery ensures you invest wisely and get the best return.